We're having a major dust storm. Been this way for 3 days out at the BLM land in Quartzsite. I would highly advise that if you're coming out that you wait until this clears up, because the dust out here is really terrible. It doesn't look so bad this way. You can still see the mountains, but you can see how everybody's flags are blowing. I think that guy lost his. He hit a wind turbine and I haven't heard it running. This is out looking towards Highway 95. You can't even see the mountains until you get to this point. We have a lot of people out on four-wheelers, and I'm amazed that they can even see or breathe. Right now my husband is outside. It's really bad over here, pumping water so that we can go get more fresh water, and he's wearing a dust mask because the dust is so bad. And I'm sorry for the filming inside, but I tried to do this outside and it's really bad out there. You wouldn't even be able to hear me. But if you're thinking of coming out here, yeah, I'd hold off a little bit. We contemplated going into Phoenix, but decided the wind would be so bad to get there. And you can see right now it's blowing pretty good over there. If we were at our home-based RV park, we'd be in worse shape because in Southern California the winds are worse and the fire danger is up. But this is current conditions. And this is Thursday. It's been going like this since Tuesday. And the dust out here is just so bad. You can't even, over there, you can't even see the mountains at all. So stay safe, stay inside.